Alright guys, got a super fun road trip today. We're going to head about 2 hours down I-40 to Knoxville to the East Tennessee Fishing Show. In my humble opinion, one of the best fishing shows in the country. So, let's jump on I-40, head about 2 hours down the road, and who knows, we might even find some stuff to see along the way. Like the world's largest Buc-ee's. Alright, we're going to make a pit stop here at Buc-ee's in Sevierville. Listen, don't get it twisted. I love Buc-ee's. I think the world of this place. And you are not going to beat their prices on anything. Gas, snacks, drinks, whatever. But I gotta tell you, I'm about over the Buc-ee's hype though. Just like everything else, people just ruin stuff. Like, I liked it when it was an adventure and it was cool to come here and check it out and get over anxious when you walk in. There's just, I don't know. I'm just kind of over the Buc-ee's hype at this point. But good gas prices, and I'm gonna tell you what, they got this thing in there. Forget the brisket, forget the tacos, forget the beaver nuggets. If you're not getting the beaver tail, you are sleeping on Buc-ee's snacks. I'm telling you. Let me get some gas and go in, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, I'm out of Buc-ee's. I didn't think I needed to take the camera in and film everything, and everybody and their brother's already done that. But let me show y'all this. I'm telling you, if you're not down with these paddle tail, beaver tails, whatever you want to call them, you're missing out. Look at these things. Look, look, look. Oh, so good. Oh my God. I got two so I could take one home. Second one ain't gonna make it home. Let's get back on the road. Alright guys, we've made it to the fishing show. You know, every year I come here, it's always some kind of weather thing. And last year it was like 15 degrees. It was blistering cold. Well, it's not so cold today, but it has started raining and that kind of sucks. But I'm going to throw the hoodie on and head inside and see what we can find. This is a damn madhouse. All right, that's all for the East Tennessee Fishing Show. I got a whole bag of stuff. Let's get out here and get on the road and get back home, and I'll show you what all I got here. So let's go.